me on the tier. Expense on la tiro.
Stuart Grub. Let's see how it is. Let me give you guys some eye candy. Downey, California. Well, I'm working right now. Lunch break. Easy money. Let's check it out. Stuart. Okay, here are the fries. Wow, nice and crispy. I promise, pretty good. This is the buffalo spicy wings. Look at that. I kept it simple. 6 piece and a small little Coke. Some French fries. Don't want to eat too much on my I am on my lunch break, and when I eat a lot I get sleepy and I can't do that. Dip it on. Little ketchup. Work hard, you deserve a good lunch break. You know? Cool. My wife normally puts me up with a lunch. She made me a bad sandwich today. I mean bad is like delicious. I haven't had a bite, but it looks delicious. She takes care of me pretty good. She don't know I'm having lunch. It gets expensive to eat out. It adds up. Like right now, French fries, a soda, and these hot wings came out to almost $15. Imagine that every day. Wow. 5 times out of the week. You say 15 bucks a day times 5. You're looking at some good work. Yeah, so it adds up. So, and then all this fast food, not like the healthiest. So now, once you get older, you gotta be wise in what you eat, because it can mess you up. Fortunately, we have a lot of overweight people with high blood pressure, diabetes. I do medical transportation, so I see a lot of this, and it's an eye-opener for me to try to take care of myself now that I'm still young and healthy, you know? Because I'm not a nosy individual, but I ask questions. I like to know what is it that they got. How did they get on dialysis, or what's going on? A lot has to do with poor eating habits. So, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, try to be conscious on your eating habits. Eat healthy. Greasy chicken. Can't go wrong with some greasy chicken. Wow. They had a 6, 12, and 18. Hell no, I'm not gonna get a 12. Not local. Still gotta eat my sandwich my wife made. If not, woo, you know, the wife, they get butthurt. They get up early to cook you lunch. And you take it back home, man, you got some explanation to do.
Oh no!
I'll tell you, it's worth it. Like $7 for 6 wings. Delicious. The sauce is pretty good. It's not too spicy. I guess my first mukbang. What's a mukbang anyway? Fuck. I'm a fucking old fucking dinosaur, man. Yeah, I see all these people doing mukbangs, and I see them putting their faces on their plate, like, whoa, like, I wait. Some of them make you hungry, like, damn. And some of them, like, it's almost like, oh no, hell no. You get discouraged. Come bien, güey. Cierra la pinche boca. Close your mouth, motherfucker, when you eat. That manners. Hey, sometimes we gotta get sloppy, man. I mean, especially when you're having a good meal. Like that one commercial. I forgot who it was. If it don't get all over the place, it don't belong in your face. Okay? Sometimes we go to these fancy restaurants and you see people getting the rag or the napkin, whatever it is, and putting it on their lap, and you know, all fancy. Or tucking it in right here on the collar.
Oh, come on.
You gotta keep it gangster. Keep it caveman style. Oh yeah. Man, these wings are pretty good. Stewart Grub, Downey, California. It's worth it. Stewart Grub. Come check it out, people. Pretty good, man. Pretty good. I think the Coke needed it to be a little bit more cold. Yeah. The fries out of the they're pretty good. They're seasoned pretty good. I like having my fries just like that, with the season that they come with. Ketchup is cool. That's why I put it on the side and I dip on it if I want. But I like to taste it just like that. First time I get an hour break. Wow. Got hooked up, huh? Normally I get 30-minute break. Sometimes I don't even get a break, bro. You get too busy. I tell people I don't drink and drive, but I eat and drive. Sometimes. Oops. Shouldn't have said that, huh? Well, not like that. I gotta be real careful because I do medical transportation, and people that I have in the vehicle, they're under my care. So I always tell them safety first. Safety. I have to. If they're in a wheelchair, I have to strap them up to the vehicle. These vehicles are customized for medical transportation purposes. Wheelchairs, gurneys, walkers. That's all we do. It's medical transportation. Oh yeah. Dispensa. Still, yo mal, pero descansó el animal. Come on, man. Got two more. Yeah, so how you guys been? I don't know. What the heck? I'm far away from home. I was like, you know what? This looks like a little spot. You know how East Los has a King Taco? Well, this spot looks like that. So I was like, man, I'm gonna try it out. Down the line, who knows? Maybe it's a popular spot right here in Downey. At least I could say, hey, I've been there. I tried there. That wings pretty good. Pedo. My wife complains or finds out, I'll just bring her later. Make it up to her. You know? She's gonna be like, man, I got up at 5 in the morning to make you lunch. You didn't even eat it. I'll tell you though, I don't throw it away. I'll give it to a homeless person. We got a regular homeless individuals up there in the AV, and I stop and I talk to them. You know, I want to know their story. I don't always film them all. I don't always videotape them, or I don't always record them. You know, out of respect, and that's not always what I'm looking for. You know. I help out the homeless. I give them things without being on record. What I mean, camera. I've done 2 videos on homeless people, helping them out, talking to them, asking them brief questions. But yeah, I only did it because I believe they need help. Not everybody's the same. Not everybody's chasing the drug. But I found out that there is programs, there's help, and now you're starting to see less people, less homeless people out on the street. Oh, pretty good. I guess the county's doing their job. Anyway, all right, my people. Much love and respect. I didn't even say mis saludos y respetos por blast. Greetings to all. Have a chicken day. Have a feedman day. Hey, these wings are pretty spicy, man. It's catching up. Well, to my wife, if you see this video, just in case you don't find out that I eat hot wings for lunch, forgive me. No seas mandilón. Que no? Alright, my gente. Just thought I'd share with you this little spot over here in Downey, California called Stewart Grub. Hot wings and French fries in a cold Coca-Cola. You guys are around the area, check it out. recommend it. It's worth it. With that said, much love and respect. A big abrazo, saludo, big bundle of love to all my warriors. Stay in motion and keep your head up.